you go do this for me. Waiting that one be agreement. If I go give you this, then you go give me that. Waiting that one be agreement.
What defines a man is once there is an agreement, you keep to it, you stick to it. Agreement is an agreement. That which has been promised Dr. Ifeanyi Ubah, I believe it should be kept that way, because we all understand and we understood the promises that were made, the agreements that were signed before we decided to come during the last election.
Ima ehumadu mana unu ana like itum gini unu na etum gini aka pista. Ihe anyị na-akọwara unu kịta bụ na ihe Willie Obiano bidoro na ọ ga-emeche ya.
Now it is his time to go for Senate. Grant him that which has been agreed. Don't let distractions take your mind away. I believe in Ifeanyi Ubah Senate 2019. My name is Ima Ehumadu, aka La Pista, representing Nollywood.
Agreement is agreement, yo. Agreement is agreement, yo.